I lost 180 pounds on a meat-focused way of eating, and here's what I ate today.
We gotta have a chat, but first off, happy birthday, Miss Doreen, down in Mississippi. I got a message from a little birdie, and she said today's your birthday. Today's Friday for you, but it's Wednesday for me, so happy birthday, Doreen. I won't tell her who told me, Rhonda. Rhonda, it'll be our secret. Shh. Happy birthday, Doreen. If you watched today's video, you know I chewed off my nails. Well, it's who I am. Anyway, so these are my creepy Halloween nails. So I got a black pinky and a black thumb. And then I've got, it's upside down to y'all, but a pumpkin and a spider web. And I don't know what the heck that's supposed to be. It almost looks like a kind of like a little smirk pumpkin. I don't know. But anyway, so that's my left hand. Now let's look at, probably should do it this way too. But see, it looks the same way this way. I don't know. To me, it looks like a smirking, like a smirk. But anyway, but then that made me knees are upside down, but I put them on right side up. Anyway, so yeah, so that's my nails. We'll see how long they last. I already feel this pointer is a little bit, doesn't feel like it's seated so well, but they say you should do it before you go to bed, so I did it. I filed the heck out of them. They're quite a bit longer, but I cut them down. So anyway, we'll see how long these last before I have them. We'll see how long they last before I have them chewed off. But yeah, so that's what I did tonight. Hey, how you doing? It's lunchtime. Doreen, I hope you're having a good birthday. I hope you're getting to eat good, whatever you want to eat. And I hope you're getting to talk to the people you want to talk to. And I hope your daughter is being nice to you. So, because yesterday was my Tuesday. And whenever I was showing you, oh, the nails are still on so far, y'all. Yep. But anyway, so I just wanted to come back now that I'm more awake and make sure I tell Doreen, I hope you're having a fabulous birthday. All right, so this is my salad. I looked this morning or last night, and I'm pretty sure all of the non-Terri foods, or maybe the yellow, if I use the Nisha berry, she goes green, yellow, and red. There were no red foods in there, but I think all the yellow foods are out, and I'm back to all my usual foods now. I'm pretty sure. Because I think I had yesterday in my taco bowl, I had some, I had a little bit of queso cheese. So, and then I had my chips. So I think that's the last of my stuff. No more apples or... I walked over that picnic table. I thought to myself, let's go sit out in the fresh air and all that good stuff. But the wind's blowing. So myself was like, nope, go back inside. So I came back inside and got my car keys, and here we are. I made a bunch of burgers the other day, before our work trip. Or I don't remember. Yeah, for our work trip. And, those work just fine for other things that are not burgers. Hang on, let me aim you down. So what this is, I took a burger, I put a bunch of bite-sized pieces. Then I took some Rayo's marinara and a splash of, I use the Great Value Alfredo. It ain't perfect, but Lord, neither am I. So I put some Greek seasoning. I gotta take another bite. You just hold your horses.
I used to make soup with Rayo's marinara and Alfredo sauce. And then I would sip on it at lunchtime. Or maybe it was supper. But anyway, I used to do that for a soup, and that was good too. Well, that's all I know. I've had a long talk with y'all this morning. That's not on this video. But it'll come out. Let's see. Today's video is going to come out Friday morning. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And then Friday evening. So come back. Friday evening, I have a conversation about, some coping mechanisms. And we touched on it a little bit yesterday. But coping mechanisms and mental health and weight loss. So come back and watch that video. So, all right. Well, that's all I know. I'm going to go inside and finish eating. I love you all. Bye. Howdy ho. How you doing? I'm doing good. Look, I asked you the question and I answered for myself. All right. What we got? Well, I have a salad. Just like I had at lunch. Same kind of salad. And then I have these are the Mediterranean burgers. Chicken burgers. They look with the white on top. That's yogurt. It looks like icing. I bought this the other day at Walmart. It's called Sweet and Spicy Polynesian Hawaiian Barbecue Sauce. Now, this ain't first ingredient sugar. So don't be thinking that you need to run out and get this but I wanted to try it. That's why I got a little one. So, it doesn't have the macros on it. So, but I was like, Polynesian, Mediterranean, maybe. So that is what we're going to try. Like I said, this may be awful, and I might be swelling, and it might cause cravings. I doubt it, but let's just see what we think about it. I see my alley tonight. I think I told y'all that, but just in case. I better have another bite. Hang on. Y'all know I have to go in for 2 bites of something before I talk to you. It's good. Taste my salad here. So how's your day going, guys? It is my Wednesday, so it's your Friday. So how's your Friday going? Are you hanging in there? Do you get Fridays off or do you work weekends? I had to double check my math twice. I was wrong the first time. I graduated nursing school in 2004, and I did weekend night shift. And then I left in 2011. Or I moved in 2009, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I worked weekend option for 5 years at the hospital. It was pretty cool back then because you do 2 12-hour shifts and you get paid for 3. So then what I did was, man, I was raking in the dough back then. Nelly. Wait, let's try this. This one did not have a flavor on it, but I know it's chocolate peanut butter. Chocolate peanut butter and the Quit Prime. Anyway, so then on the days that I was, I had 5 days off then, So at that time, I was doing home health. So this is what I would do. Let me start from Monday. Well, I was off Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. I worked Hi. For a while I worked, maybe I wasn't off Sunday, Monday. Well, I worked day shift at where I work now every Wednesday and every other Thursday. And then I worked Friday, Saturday night shift. And then I think I worked either Sunday and every other Monday or Monday and every other Tuesday. No, Sunday and every other Monday. I did home health. So, I'm telling you, back then, always, I didn't have a care in the world financially. But then I grew up, and then I started buying dumb stuff, and credit card, man, it's a rough road. If I could give one piece of advice to old Terri, it wouldn't even be about eating. It'd be cut at that credit card, girl. Cut it up. That's what I know. I gotta eat fast and go see Allie. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Happy birthday again, Doreen. Have a good day.